Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. It's been a while since I last dropped my last video. Yeah, let's get it. Says welcome back. It's July 11. Today is Friday. Yo, let's go through it. As you can see, we want to change this baby to look different. So let's use action today. Let's not waste so much time. For those of you that are not having the action, you can check the link in the description. I'm going to leave it. You can go download it for free. Yeah, and you just press play. Let's go straight to it. Press stop. As you can see, it already jumps the brush tool. Then you just start brushing the baby. Make sure you don't brush where the hair is. Zoom so that you can see it perfect. Brush the hands. Then boom, we're done with brushing the face. You can press Ctrl J to make it look more smooth, or if it's okay with you, we can go with that. And duplicate the background, magic, with the skin retouch. Then come and select brush tool and select the photo. Make sure you select the hair well. Yeah, I think this is okay. Don't forget about the legs of the chair. Then press Ctrl. Before press Ctrl J, right click, press feather, put it on 3, press Ctrl J. Then you have a photo without a background. Then you can select black color. Put the shape there, put it behind. So as you can see, the hair is kind of seeing that it was just placed there. So come here to selective color, change the color from red to black, then add it a bit deep inside. So after, come back and try chopping some of these. Use the lasso tool. When you select, before you chop, press right click and press feather, put it maybe on 5, then press delete on your keyboard. Then as you can see, it leaves in a way it's not too sharp. Select the rest, feather 5, delete. So as you can see, let's reduce the light using camera raw filter. Vibrance, add the shadows, reduce the blacks, and press OK. So as you can see, we don't have to touch the eye because the babies are still having white eyes, so we don't need to change. They don't have yellow eyes. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Most of you are not subscribing, you're just viewing. Please make sure you subscribe so that you get notified every time I drop any new video. Yeah, thanks for watching.